Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Got something to show you. And you'll never guess, it's a plane. Believe it or not. If I can get a hold of it, that is. Alright. Right here is the FMS P-40B Flying Tiger. And boy, oh boy, you want to talk about one beautiful scale airplane. Absolutely gorgeous plane. Whoa, kind of heavy. I'm really surprised it's not a 6S plane. Sequence doors, rotating. Well, I don't know if the doors, I guess they're not sequence, they just come up and go down. But look at that tail wheel. Even the tail wheel goes down. Okay? Now I saw how slow those go up and down, so you need to think about that when you're coming in for landing. There's takeoff flaps, landing flaps. All right. Put our gear back down so we can taxi. All right. Well, here, I'll just turn completely around here. All right. What do you say we take this beautiful plane up, have some fun with her? Haven't flown this plane in, oh, I don't even remember how long it's been. That's a beautiful plane. Man, it's a gorgeous plane. Now, once again, I have a
motor on.
Solid blue sky. So,
flight mode 1, AS3X mode.
all right, like I said, I've got a solid blue sky, so there's no clouds for you to have a reference. So I'll try to keep her in as close as I can safely keep her in. Tracks really well on the ground for a tail dragger. So, all right, we'll go ahead and put some takeoff flaps in. Okay, right, left, up, down, right, left. And we are in our, let's see, I'm in high rates, I think. Let me make sure. Okay, I only got one rate, and that's 100% throws over 30% expo. All right, takeoff flaps are in, motor's on, running with the AS3X, and I'm running a AR630 antenna-less receiver in her.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Need some down elevator.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I'll bring her by kind of low and slow.
3 minutes.
All right, mainly I just want to make sure my gear came down. A little nervous, haven't flown this plane forever. All right, bring her out here. All right, man. Beautiful landing, beautiful landing.
Flaps up.
All right. All right, let's, like I say, just got to get used to her again. I haven't flown this plane in a hot minute. Beautiful craft. All right, we're going to do a no takeoff landing, or no takeoff. No takeoff flaps. Well, she definitely wants to pull to the left, doesn't she?
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Here. Y'all know me, if I'm not talking, and I'm a little bit nervous, or I'm just enjoying myself so much, I forget to speak. Boy, that's a beautiful plane. Gorgeous plane.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Well, I wish there were some clouds. All right, let's land this plane in the grass this time. All right,
Takeoff flaps.
let's get her turned around here. We landed in the grass.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, someone broke a prop. Oh, come on. Help me, help me. Uh-oh. Still got a minute left. Help me, help me. Help me, I'm stuck. Sometimes you can rock. Yeah. Nope. All right, well, that's okay. Just pop that tail down. All right, we're gonna do takeoff flaps. Let's see if we get up out of this rut here. Grass is very, very thick. All right. Okay, takeoff flaps. We're gonna try this one more time. Oh, shoot. Okay, grass is just a little. Let's just go back over here. I mean, I got this thick crab grass. It's hard to grab this plane. Okay, motor's off. Okay. Got a runway, ought to use it. All right. Okay.
Motor on.
Yeah. All right. Takeoff flaps.
Gear up. Gear down. Flaps up.
We'll leave the gear down.
Landing flaps.
All right. All right.
Flaps up.
Definitely need to do some practice with this bird.
Motor on.
Motor off, only 16 seconds on a 4-minute timer. Let's see what kind of juice we have in the tank. Okay. This has that, oh, and I'm running a 4000, just so you know. Let me just pull it out of there. All right. Still got 50%, 3.85 down, 51%. Let's take off one more time. And this has a really tight, clicks in nice and tight. Take off one more time. Try to make it a little bit better of a landing. All right. Pick up the old radio because it makes it easier to fly when you have the radio. Don't ask me why.
Motor on.
Motor back on. We're not going to do flaps this time. We're just going to take off.
Landing flaps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right. What a beautiful plane. I'll take that.
Flaps up.
No, I won't.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
You know what? I'm gonna land this time with no flaps. Well, I know I can do better than that. I'm gonna try it one more time. Whoa, whoa, nice save. Hey! Whoa, I forgot she torque rolls the other direction. What I did there was I was correcting the wrong way. I forgot which way she torque rolled.
Landing flaps.
Whoa, but hey, saved her, right? I think my first landing was my best. All right.
Motor off.
Motor off. Woo!
Flaps up.
We're gonna quit while the quitting getting's good. Or stop while the stopping's good, or whatever. All right, folks, that's the P-40 FMS P-40B Flying Tiger. Beautiful plane. I just clearly need to do some practice with her. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And remember, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.